Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to jump straight into this video and let you guys know that it is now time to wash out this wash and go. And the one thing that I dread about wash and goes or just wearing my hair out in general is having to detangle my hair. So I'm just going to share some tips that I have when it comes to detangling your hair when it's in a state like this. If your hair is looking like this, then you definitely need to follow these tips if you haven't already been following these tips. So my biggest tip for safely detangling your hair is to, number one, make sure your hair is extremely wet. I'm about to hop in the shower and I'm going to detangle my hair while I'm inside the shower because I need all of that water to just be hitting my hair as I'm detangling it. I never ever detangle my hair when it's dry. Like, my hair has been like this all week and I can't do anything to it. Like, I had it like in a bun. I did a few things to it, but the fact is, combing my hair was an absolute no-no because I would never ever comb my hair when it's this dry. It has to be wet. And next, once you get your hair extremely wet, go ahead and apply some product. So you can use a conditioner, you can use some type of detangling product that's out there in stores, whatever works best for you, whatever you know is gonna help you detangle your hair. They do have a lot of great detangling products. I've done quite a few reviews on detangling products, and I most likely will be using my Carol's Daughter, and I possibly will be using my SheaMoisture as well. I just know that water alone is not gonna get it. I definitely need some help when it comes to detangling my hair. I need a lot of slip, so I'm gonna definitely put a lot of product on my hair so I can make sure that I have a lot of slip. Next, you wanna make sure that you are working in smaller sections. I typically like to put my hair in like 4 sections whenever I'm doing it, but since my hair is in this state, I would definitely be probably working in sections like, I can't part my hair right now, but like small sections at a time. That way I can make sure I'm detangling it. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible on my hair. I'm not trying to put all this hair in one section and just get to combing. Like, I'm gonna take my time. So in order for me to really take my time on my hair, I'm definitely going to put my hair in smaller sections. And next, after I put my hair in those smaller sections, I will be using a wide tooth comb and I will be using my little detangler brush. You want to use like a paddle brush or something that's gonna help you get the tangles out of your hair. I know a lot of people like to run their fingers through their hair and like finger detangle. I'm not even about to play with y'all. Like, I'm not finger detangling my hair. I feel like if I tried to finger detangle my hair, I would take forever. So like, literally my whole natural process, I do not mind using a comb on my hair. So yeah, I will continue using a comb. But one thing I will say is that if you have some knots or something in your hair, then I would suggest like trying to get them out with your fingers first before just ripping the brush through it or the comb through it. Try to get the knot out. Try to get the knot out as safe as possible without ripping too much of your hair out. And the last tip would be to start from the bottom to the top. I normally comb my hair at the bottom first. And another thing that I do is like whenever I'm doing a section, I like to grip my hair. That way I can just comb down. And to me, it seems like whenever I grip my hair like this, I'm not pulling on it, I'm just gripping it. So by me gripping it, it prevents me from pulling on my roots, and it also causes less pain for me. I'm not sure if anybody else have tried that method out. And one thing I will say, since it's only been a week, like my roots are not bad at all. What's bad is what y'all looking at, like all this hair. And like I said, I've only done 2 wash and goes before, but even when I wear my twist out or my braid outs, like I do let my hair out of the twist at some point, and I only keep it out for maybe like a week. Because to me, whenever my hair is big, it may be pretty, I get a whole lot of compliments, but whenever my hair is big and out like this, to me, my hair is more vulnerable. It's vulnerable to the weather, just everything, like the air, everything is just like touching my hair. And I honestly prefer for my hair to not be in this state a lot. I like my twist outs, I like my braid outs, but y'all know every once in a while I try and switch things up. I was trying to do a product review. Only thing I will say is like, if you do wash and goes, then how often do you actually wash your hair? I feel like the quicker you get to it, the less problems you'll have detangling out your hair. It's been a week, and I feel like if I would have went 2 or 3 weeks with my hair in this state, it just would have been getting bad, very bad, and even my roots would be bad. Like right now, I'm telling you, my roots are fine. I can actually put my fingers through my roots. It's just all my hair just being out and big like this. So wish me luck. I'm about to go ahead and detangle my hair. I'm gonna let y'all see as I detangle and work through this process. My hair is now completely detangled. And one thing I will say about this wash and go, I wasn't too happy with the amount of hair that I lost overall. So it's only been a week since I kept this wash and go in, since I have combed out my hair, and I lost quite a bit of hair. Like, I normally don't even lose this amount of hair when I go 3 weeks with washing my hair. Like, when I go 3 weeks without washing my hair, maybe I lose about maybe that much. But I lost quite a bit of hair. I feel like this wash and go gave me so many unnecessary knots and tangles in my hair. I feel like my hair broke off in a lot of different places. My hair is just screaming at me to just put it up in some twists and just protect it right about now and just not touch my hair for about 2 weeks. Because yeah, overall I really did lose quite a bit of hair and I'm not happy with that. But my steps did work. I worked in smaller sections and I had to use my best detanglers to help me comb out my hair. I did do a lot of finger detangling after I first combed it out, just to kind of help me with those knots and tangles that I had. But y'all go ahead and tell me in the comment section if you have any more recommendations for when you combing out your hair when it was in the state that my hair was in. But other than that, thank you all for watching this video and I will see you all next time. Bye.